How crucial are strings in Java, one might ask? Well, to answer this, imagine a world without words, without language. It's hard to picture, isn't it? That's precisely what strings are to Java. They are the language that allows your program to communicate, to express its myriad thoughts and actions. So yes, strings are pretty important. Let's start at the beginning, creating strings. In Java, there are two ways to create a string. The first is by using a string literal, like so, string str equals hello world. The second is by using the new keyword like this, string str equals new string hello world. Now let's dive into string class methods. These are the tools you have at your disposal when working with strings. There are several important ones, but some of the most commonly used include length, which returns the length of the string, char@, which returns the character at a specific index, and substring, which extracts a portion of the string. Next up, string comparison. Comparing strings in Java is not as straightforward as comparing primitive data types. You can't just use the == operator. Instead, you have to use the equals or compare to methods. The equals method checks if two strings are exactly the same, while the compare to method compares two strings lexicographically. Output. Then comes the concept of immutability of strings. In Java, strings are immutable. This means that once a string object is created, it cannot be changed. This might seem like a limitation, but it actually has several benefits, such as security and efficiency. But what if you need a mutable string? Enter the StringBuilder class. This class allows you to create mutable strings, which are perfect for situations where you need to make a lot of modifications to a string. The StringBuilder class has several useful methods, such as append, which adds a string to the end of the string builder, and insert, which inserts a string at a specific index. Next in line is the StringBuffer class. This class is very similar to StringBuilder, but with one key difference. It is thread safe. This means that it can be used in multi-threaded programs without any issues. The methods of the StringBuffer class are similar to those of the StringBuilder class. Creating StringBuffer objects is just as simple as creating strings. You can do it either by using a string literal, like so, StringBuffer SB equals new StringBuffer hello world, or by using the new keyword like this, StringBuffer SB equals new StringBuffer, SB.append hello world. Finally, let's compare StringBuffer and StringBuilder. Both of these classes are used for creating mutable strings. The main difference between them is that StringBuffer is thread safe, while StringBuilder is not. This means that if you're working with multi-threaded programs, you should use StringBuffer. Otherwise, StringBuilder is the way to go, as it is slightly faster. In summary, strings are a fundamental part of Java. They are created either by using a string literal or the new keyword. The string class provides several methods for manipulating and comparing strings. Strings in Java are immutable, but if you need a mutable string, you can use the StringBuilder or StringBuffer class. The main difference between these two classes is that StringBuffer is thread safe. That's all for now. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, the power of Java lies in your hands. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. If you found this content helpful and want to keep exploring the world of Java with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you've learned something new today, we'd appreciate a thumbs up. Got questions or feedback? Our comments section is always open, and if you know someone who might benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.